Hello. So, we are going to discuss the worksheets that we're going to be doing at the red and orange station. So you can see right now I'm at the red station. So this is the worksheet station. So there's 3 worksheets that you have to complete while you're in the station. The first one is colors of the rainbow. So what you're going to be doing on this worksheet is you're going to be coloring the rainbow below in rainbow order. So you can see that there is a rainbow right here, little clouds, and then each little line, curved line, is a different color. So I put the first letter of each color to represent in each line. So you know where you should be coloring what. So the first one should be red, R equals red. Second one's orange, O equals orange. Next one is Y, yellow equals Y. After that is green, G equals green. After that, blue, E equals blue. And the last one is P, P equals purple. And I also put that on the top here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a pencil, and the first thing you do is write your name on it. So I'm going to write my name right at the top. If your name is not on your paper, how am I going to know it's yours? So you have to write your name on it. I had a lot of papers from last class that didn't have names on it. I don't know whose it is. So after that, you're going to use your markers to color in each color. Now, let's discuss how markers should be used. I have found markers like this, just left, what's going to happen? They're going to get dried out. We can't leave them like this. Or I also have markers that are left like this. They're not closed all the way. You got to close them. It's important to close them. We use these markers for the whole school. So we have to make sure that we're caring for them properly. So I have my marker. I have my red. So I'm going to color my red in at the top. And I'm going to do my best to try and stay in the lines. So I'm going to color in my red. I'm just going to go ahead and start coloring it in. Make sure that there's no white. I'm going to use the side of my marker to put more color on there and distribute it throughout. I'm going to twist my paper. And I'm just going to keep coloring. If you color outside the line by accident, it happens. But really try your best to stay in the line. That's your challenge. I'm going to twist my paper again. Just color that all in. Almost all the white is gone. After that, I'm going to, heard that, close my marker, and then I have it done. Then you're going to color in each other color after that. And if you want to color in the clouds, whatever color you want to, that's up to you. But that's our first one, our first worksheet. Our second worksheet that we have is finish the line. So just like how we see on here, we have different lines. We have zigzag, wavy, bumpy, curly, dash, and vertical. These aren't all the lines that we've gone through. I know we have our poster behind us that has a lot more lines on it, but these are just some basic lines to go through and prepare you for the oil pastel station where we're working with lines. So we're going to go through each of these and finish the line. But I grabbed a marker, but I wasn't ready yet. I need to have my pencil. So it's up to you. You can do this with pencil or you can do it with marker, however you feel confident. If you want to draw with pencil first and then cover it up with marker, that's cool too. But first things first, write your name at the top. Because how am I going to know it's you if you don't have your name on it? So I have my name on it. I'll show you both ways to do this, with marker and with pencil. So let's start with pencil since it's in my hand. We're going to just finish up this zigzag line. So I'm going to connect to that zigzag line that's already there, and I'm going to start drawing my zigzag line across. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to start drawing my wavy line. So I did it with pencil first. What you could also do is you could just do it with marker if you feel confident enough to do it with marker. So I feel confident to do the bumpy lines with marker. So So I'm going to continue doing the bumpy lines. Just with marker. So that's me. I feel confident with that. But if you want to do pencil and then cover it with marker, you could do that. I'm going to pick a different color. So I'm just going to go over now what my pencil mark was for the zigzag line. Then close up my marker. And you can see right here, all the way across. And you're going to finish all of these. So that's our second worksheet. Our last worksheet is colors of the rainbow sentences. So it's really important to know how to spell our colors of the rainbow, and it's also good to know what order they're going in. So these questions are just asking you that. So I'm going to read out the questions. The first one, which we've already gone over several times, but you're going to be writing it down, is the colors of the rainbow are, and then there are several lines for you to fill in what are the colors of the rainbow. Now down here, I have all the colors of the rainbow written out. So what you're going to do is you're going to look in our little word bank box and you're going to pick out what are the colors of the rainbow. Now I'm going to read these out. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So it seems like all of these are the colors of the rainbow, so you should fill in every single one of these words into this first sentence. So that's the first sentence. I gave it to you. I'm going to read you the other two sentences, and you're going to have to do those on your own, but I'm more than confident you are going to know how to do this. So the second sentence is blank, blank, and blank are the colors that come after red, orange, and yellow in the rainbow. So you got to think about that. We have all of our word bank right here. Half of those colors are in this word bank, so think about the other half that aren't there. Now, our next question is blank, blank, and blank are the colors that come before green, blue, and purple in the rainbow. So if you answered this question above, you should be able to answer that last question with ease. So if you need help with reading this, or if you need help with any answers, please feel free to come up to me or our other teacher that's in the room during this time, and I can help you out with that. So these are our three worksheets that we're going to be working on. I'm going to write my name on the top of this one, and I'm going to put it to the side for now. So when we are done with each of our stations, we're going to switch. So we're going to have about 15 minutes in each station. So this station will be 15 minutes, the oil pastel will be 15 minutes, and the watercolors will be 15 minutes. I am so excited to start, but first we got to learn more about the oil pastels.